folks, it's Turtle Tracks again, and we're going out looking for Jimmy and Catherine. And I have some folks here who are joining me to find these two elusive reptiles, and here they are. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex, okay.
I'm Zach.
Zach?
I'm Maddie.
Maddie?
John?
John and
Nat.
And Nat, you are first. So lead us on into the wild green yonder looking for that turtle.
Got the beat. Go.
Go for it.
Follow the tractor. Right. Where do we stop? About here?
Might be. Keep coming this way. Let's keep looking, because sometimes we find him over there, but often he's over here. And it's one of those things we just got to try and see what happens. You guys see this? See this little dusty looking spot on the ground here?
Yeah.
This is a turkey dusting pit.
Turkey?
Mm-hmm. Wild turkeys. They'll come to these spots, and because turkeys get ticks and fleas just like, you know, people can.
Yeah.
Well, actually, they don't get fleas, they get mites. They'll get in the dust, and they'll kick the dust up into their feathers on their belly and just move it all around, and that chokes the insects, and they fall off.
Really?
It's pretty neat. They don't even need any pesticides. They have natural pesticides right here in the form of this dust.
Good.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what do you think, man?
Do you want to turn around?
Probably that way.
Yeah, turn around first. Let's make sure, because sometimes if you're really close, it'll seem like it's coming from all directions.
Oh, that's loud. That's very loud.
Oh, that's loud.
Yeah, it is.
You got a little bar
Oh.
there that goes. See? Oh yeah, that's big.
That's a good one. It all seems to be right in this area, doesn't it? Really loud. That seems about right, because we're right in the heart of Jimmy's habitat. So straight ahead.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a tick. Where? On the leaf. That way.
Ah. Seems about right. Come on up.
Yeah.
Definitely louder that way.
Yep.
Okay.
Think you should go that way?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What do you think? All right, sounds good. Let's go that way then. A little slower.
I guess is it still that way?
I think you're right.
Have you got a beat at the moment?
Zach?
Have we got a signal? Yeah, there is a beat. Okay.
Yeah.
Down there.
Ooh, that does happen sometimes. Sometimes we get something called a bounce, though. Walk out on the road and see if it changes. Oop. One more ant. Yep. Down there? Okay, lead the way.
Yeah?
Oh, we found some trail magic here. These are huckleberries. Let's get a zoom. These are some huckleberries here. Oh yeah, so guys, dig in. The black ones, don't eat the red ones. They're not very tasty. They're a little more seedy than most blueberries, but hey, they're wild.
You don't want one.
Really? You don't have to eat them. It's trail magic, a little bit of the special little surprise you find when you're out in the woods hiking along. One of my favorite things.
Oh, that's one.
I think I'll join in.
They're good, aren't they?
Yeah, lovely.
Oh, look, there's a few more at the back.
Oh, I got a sour one.
Mm-mm.
I like sour.
Oh, hey, I got a bug instead.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you eat him? Oh, you still got him?
I still got it.
Let's see.
Oh, it's just a little.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of that way.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's keep going around the curve.
Oh, that's big bar. 3. 3. 2. Not many.
It's definitely loudest over there, isn't it?
So I might be up in the woods still. Alrighty. Somewhere up there.
Used to be up there. There's not much to see. Ah. Aha.
Hmm.
Definitely not this way.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, hang on.
Hmm. Pretty loud.
Yeah, sort of going in there, which is roughly where it was before.
Mm-hmm. So if you go back down there and find the other angle, then I can go right in and hopefully we'll find the
So
apex.
that little tackling
Right.
was there. We weren't going to the green.
Yep. Much louder.
That's a good point. 2.
Oh, you want to go in the water? I didn't know you were going to the water today.
Yeah, it's really quiet now.
Yep. Then that means I'm going to have to take it and go straight in. And I'll go in and find her. I'll let you guys stay out here and I'll go. Hopefully it won't take too long. And I won't get bitten by a copperhead or something. Or step in a nest of yellow jackets. She is close. And I'll put the camera away. Okay, so she's somewhere really close. Right in this area. There she is. Right there. All right. Let's see. Get little Catherine out. There she is. I'll bring her down to you and let you check her out. So we
purple mouse there.
No, she hasn't. Ooh.
So we found Catherine and we're checking her out. And she is an old box turtle. She might be somewhere around 60 to 80 years old. And you can tell because her shell is much more worn than Jimmy's.
60 to 80 years.
That's a guess. The only way we guess is if you look at each plate, just look at her back. Her shell is much more worn, and there's those lines. The annuli are not as prominent as in Jimmy's. Yeah. So.
You're wearing your home away.
So you're older. And how long do they live?
They can live 100 years. So, very long-lived animal.
Does she like berries?
Oh yes, she loves berries. All box turtles love sweet things.
Can we feed them to her?
You could try it, but more likely than not, she's not going to because she's a wild turtle. Most wild turtles just want nothing more than to get away from the giant, scary creature holding them.
And they must be able to smell us as well. They must smell strange too.
Oh, I'm sure. You can try feeding her one, but for one thing, she's up off the ground flying, so it's like, oh, you know, I'm going to hide in my shell. But you never know.
You never know?
Or she might just bite you.
Yeah. That's the other option.
Mm-hmm. She's like, no, I think I'll hide.
Yeah. To be fair, they have got a lot of. She's got a lot of berries which aren't being held by the scary creatures.
True.
That's a beautiful butterfly.
Well, I'm going to put Catherine back, and we will head back to the lodge. What y'all think of this little turtle hunting activity?
Oh, brilliant.
Great. Really good.
Brilliant.
And of course, we're doing this for what purpose? Does anybody know?
To preserve the turtle.
Exactly, to preserve the turtle.
For North Carolina.
Mm-hmm.
Get as much information as we can about them.
Exactly, so that we can help them. Exactly. All right, guys, good job.
Thank you, Catherine.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm going to put Catherine back in her hole. Cover her with a few leaves. And leave her alone. We'll come find her another day. And get her back out of these berries. All right, guys. Good job.
I could have stayed, I wish I could have changed, but a rambling man is a rambling man by any other name, by any other name. I could have changed, but a rambling man is a rambling man by any other name, by any other name. Well, a rambling man is a rambling man is a rambling